Welcome to the Site-Specific Plan Amendment Process Educational Series. This is the second presentation in the series, Transportation Planning 101. Fairfax County is served by an extensive transportation system comprised of roadways, bus and rapid transit, paratransit services, and an international airport. In addition, the extensive sidewalk and trail system serves pedestrian and bicycle travel. The transportation plan is an essential element of the comprehensive plan and contains goals and recommendations about future transportation conditions in the county. The comprehensive plan is a tool for reserving right-of-way for future improvements when new development occurs. Fairfax County's transportation plan relates to a number of plans at the state and regional levels. In Virginia, the State Department of Transportation is responsible for maintaining the county's public roadways and traffic signals. The transportation plan includes the Transportation Plan Map, Countywide Trails Plan Map, and the Countywide Bicycle Network Map. The Transit Development Plan is a 10-year plan for bus and rail services in the county. The state and county work jointly to implement the transportation element of the comprehensive plan. The Countywide Transit Network Study identifies a network of high-quality rail, bus rapid transit, light rail transit, and express bus routes across the county. The study also shows major transfer stations between different modes of transit. Land use must be balanced with the supporting transportation infrastructure, including the regional transportation network. Fairfax County will encourage the development of accessible transportation systems designed through advanced planning and technology to move people and goods efficiently while minimizing environmental impact and community disruption. A major policy for future planning and facilities includes a multifaceted transportation system to reduce excessive reliance on the automobile. Sidewalks, trails, and on-road bicycle routes should be developed as alternate transportation facilities, leading to mass transit, high-density areas, public facilities, and employment centers. The components of the transportation plan include roadway improvements, new interchanges, and provisions for public transportation facilities in designated enhanced public transportation corridors. Enhanced transportation corridors are major radial and intra-county commuter corridors that are planned to provide public transportation facilities such as rail transit, commuter rail, bus rapid transit, and/or high occupancy vehicle lanes. Fairfax County has over 1,000 miles of shared use paths, park trails, and sidewalks. They are used by bicyclists, pedestrians, persons with disabilities, joggers, inline skaters, equestrians, and others for both recreation and transportation. The components of the Trails Plan include recommendations for major and minor trails, shared use paths, stream valley trails, and guidance for surfacing materials and trail widths. The Bicycle Master Plan shows the vision, goals, and objectives for bicycling in Fairfax County. The vision for bicycling in Fairfax County is meeting the safety, access, and mobility needs of bicyclists today while encouraging more people to bicycle in the future, making Fairfax County bicycle friendly and bicycle safe. The components of the Bicycle Master Plan include guidance for bike lanes on roadways, separated bicycle facilities, and parameters for sharing lanes with vehicles and pedestrians. There is a strong connection between the impact of transportation facilities on land use and how different land uses affect the use of transportation networks. Locating a mix of different land uses within the same property allows people to live, work, and play in the same location instead of having to get in their cars and travel to workplaces, stores, and their homes. This reduces the number of cars on the roads at peak travel times of the day. The county has a strategy that includes focusing new growth in mixed-use areas with access to public transit and that are designed with pedestrian and bicycle facilities to reduce reliance on cars. The recommendations in the Transportation Plan and Trails and Bicycle Plans support county-wide objectives found in the county's comprehensive plan. In addition to the Transportation Plan, site-specific transportation guidance can also be found in the land use sections of the area plan text within the comprehensive plan. This slide shows links to the County Transportation Plan map, the Bicycle Master Plan, and the Trails Plan.